This video will walk through how to make a mass update to your users using the user home administration. First of all, we're going to want to go to is the advanced page for users. Then when you're doing this, we're going to go to the display options of the page, and we're going to only export the information that you need to update, whether it's the department or the company, whatever you're doing this mass update to. Now, in this example, I'm going to look at making the update to the department. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave in first name, last name, and email address. And then I'm going to put in, actually I'm going to put in username instead of email address. And then I'm going to take everything else out. I'm going to put in department. And then let's refresh. So these are all of my users. Let's just double check. All my active users. This is just going to be to update the active users. And I have their first name, last name, username, and department. So now I'm going to go ahead and export that. I'm going to export it to unformatted Excel. Now with this Excel file, I have all this information included. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the desired change to my departments. Now remember, you can do this to any other field or column on the user profile that's available as a column. So if you were doing a checkbox that would say yes or no, you can make that update and do the same thing. This is just an example for the department. So I'm going to go ahead and put in here, I'm going to make each one of these a consulting, and then I'm going to make this one also external. So now I've got everyone filled in with the department. Now I'm just going to go ahead and save this, and now what I'll do is I'll go up here to the top right and go import users. I'm going to choose that file, and I'm going to upload. You'll see it shows what information is being uploaded. The reason why we took out all those other fields is because you definitely don't want to include everything, because you don't want to run the chance of accidentally making a change in the Excel file, which then would write into the import. If there's anything that's different in the Excel file that we changed, that we made the department changes to, that will overwrite into the import. But since we didn't make any changes to anything else, to the usernames, first name or last name, those will stay the same. And let's go ahead and check all that looks good, and save. And it's going to pop up one more time and just give me a confirmation that this is the results. These are the results. And done. Now you can see all of those have been updated. Consulting and that one external value, my department field, has been updated. And now I can go back to display options, and I can go back to my default. Now I've got that information nicely updated, and I can go back to my simple view to keep things a little more streamlined.